I will show you how you can get unlimited free credits on Midjourney after you have exhausted your trial free credit. So as you can see here, I have exhausted my free trial credit and I have 0 credits left. So I'm going to generate another free credit now. So the first thing you want to do is come over to this icon here, click on it. Then you click on invite. Click on this settings icon. Click on never. Make sure never and max uses is checked. Then you click on save. Now you click on share link and you copy the link to your server. So now you paste this link in your notepad. Make sure you paste this link in your notepad. Then you go back to Discord. Now you want to come down here to this icon and click on it. Click on accounts. Now when you get to the accounts, I signed up using my phone number and I did not use an email, so you want to add an email so we can remove this phone number and sign in again. So you want to click on email. So it will prompt you to enter an email. Now you go to this website. Come to this website, smailpro.com. I will leave the link to this website in the description box. When you get to this website, you want to click on this green open button here. So this website will create a temporary email and use it to sign up, to register on Midjourney. So you want to come here where it says query random order, click on it. Then you scroll and you select randomoutlook.com or any of this email. Just click on random outlook. Then you click on create. Now it will create a temporary email for us. Now you copy this temporary email it has created by clicking on it. Then you head back to Discord, paste the email here and click on change email. Enter your Discord or your Midjourney password. I'm going to enter mine now. After you have entered your password, click on done. Now it will prompt you to verify your email. So now you want to go back to the website. So now we are back at the SMail Pro website. You want to scroll down and you can see this place here where it says inbox. You want to click on this round arrow icon. So now you can see the email Discord has sent to the temporary email you created earlier. So click on this verify email. Scroll down and click on verify email. Okay, now it says our email is verified. Now you can go back to Discord. And you can see the email has been added to our Discord account. So now we want to remove this phone number and sign up again with this phone number. Click on the phone number. Click on remove phone number. You have entered your password, click on done. And now you can see our phone number has been removed. So now we will log out of our account and create another account with this same phone number. But note, you cannot use this email any longer. In Discord, you are allowed to sign up more than once with one phone number, but you are allowed to sign up only once with any email you use. So now we go back and we want to scroll down and sign out of Discord. Okay, click on logout. Now you might be wondering, if you log out, you will lose access to all of your previously created images. Don't worry, I'll show you how you can get access to all of your images. Now you want to click on register. Then you enter your phone number. Okay, you can enter the phone number you removed from the previous account. Click on next. Now you want to enter a username. Just enter any random username, doesn't actually matter. And enter a password. Make sure you remember this password and use something very simple that is you can easily remember. So I will enter my password. Click on next. Then you want to enter any random date of birth. Make sure it's something above 18. Click on confirm. Click on create an account. Okay, now you choose a profile picture. Choose any random profile picture here, or you click on this button here to add a photo from your device, or you can skip this, but I will just choose one and click on next. Then you want to uncheck this blue button and click on next. Then you can skip this, click on cancel, and now you have created a new Discord account. Click on this plus icon over here. Then you want to click on join a server. Now you go back to your notepad where you pasted the link to your server earlier. Click on O to copy your link, copy it, then you head back to Discord, paste the link you have copied here, which is the link to your server, and click on join server. Okay, now you can see it prompts us to accept our invite. Click on accept invite, and voila, you have joined your server. You can see you do not need to join a Discord server or Midjourney server this time around. You can see I have access to all of my previously created images in this new account. And now let's check the amount of credits I have now. So to check that, click on /info, enter. Okay, now you can see it says I have a fast time of 25 minutes left, and I have created 0 images. And you can see I have created a lot of images. You can see these are all the images I've created in my previous account, and I created all of these images entirely for free. By the way, you might be wondering why I'm creating a lot of characters. I'm actually making a video on how to make and publish children's storybook on Amazon for free. So these characters are the characters I'll be using in this book. So you can turn on the notification bell icon so you get notified when I upload the tutorial to this video. Okay, now you can see we have created 25 new credits, and you can repeat this process to create free credits for as many times as you want, entirely for free. Now to log in on your PC, head over to discord.com and click on login. Once you get to this page, now go on your phone, come over here to this icon, click on it, then come down here and click on this icon here. Then you want to scroll down and click on scan QR code. Now you scan the QR code on your PC, then you click on log me in, click on start talking, and now you are logged in on your PC as well. You can see these are all of my ads. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and share with friends. And please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you.